Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho Analytics step by step. First, you'll want to connect your data sources. Zoho Analytics supports a wide range of connections, from databases to cloud applications. You can easily import files like CSV, Excel, or JSON. This initial step is crucial for bringing all your valuable information into one central platform, setting the foundation for powerful analysis and reporting. Once your data is connected, the next step is preparation. Zoho Analytics offers robust tools to clean and transform your raw data, ensuring accuracy and consistency. You can create custom formulas and calculations to derive new metrics and insights. Establishing clear relationships between your different data tables is also vital for building comprehensive and meaningful reports. With your data prepared, it's time to visualize your findings. Zoho Analytics allows you to design interactive charts, graphs, and pivot tables, making complex data easy to understand. You can then build dynamic dashboards to monitor your key performance indicators in real time. Sharing these insightful reports securely with your team or external stakeholders is straightforward, fostering data-driven decisions. Beyond basic reporting, Zoho Analytics offers advanced features like AI-powered insights for predictive analytics and forecasting, helping you anticipate future trends. Collaboration is seamless, allowing multiple team members to work on shared reports and dashboards efficiently. And hey, while you're optimizing your data, don't forget to optimize your ride. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.